shaky, they don't die. I shit. Those they are shit. The shit is what I don't like. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mathilda, but today it is not going to be a makeup tutorial. I got some questions from Twitter and I'm going to be doing a would you rather game. So they're just a bunch of questions which I'm going to select which I would rather do. So if you guys would like to see me answer some juicy questions, then keep on watching. So the first question is money or power? For me, it is definitely money. I'm not really power hungry to say I'm going to choose power over money, because with money, you can do a bunch of things that I feel like power will not even be able to do. So the next question is swimming pool or beach? First of all, I don't even know how to swim, but I would say, I don't really know. I think swimming pool, because I love being in the water. Shawarma or pizza? Definitely shawarma. I'm not crazy about pizza, funny enough, but shawarma, I prefer shawarma to pizza. Holiday in Bali or Santorini? Oh my god, Santorini definitely. I've always wanted to go to Greece and Santorini is definitely my top travel dreams, and I really would love to go to Santorini, so it's definitely Santorini for me. Game of Thrones or Vikings? I have not watched Vikings and Game of Thrones obviously, because I think I've seen some clips of Vikings and it's definitely not my style of movie. For Game of Thrones, I do not even want to watch Game of Thrones because I don't even like those type of movies, but because the whole world was talking about Game of Thrones, I just had to be along because I just want to know what the hype is all about. But it was actually a good movie, but the ending sucked. Prison Break or Money Heist? Money Heist for me. I have not even watched Prison Break, so it's definitely Money Heist. Money Heist is up there when it comes to my top favorite shows. Suits or How to Get Away with Murder? That cannot even be a question if you know me, because if you know me, you know that my favorite show of all time is How to Get Away with Murder. From the beginning to the ending, Pete Nowak killed it, Viola Davis killed it, so definitely How to Get Away with Murder. No show tops it for me. It would have been Vampire Diaries if their ending didn't suck, so definitely How to Get Away with Murder, my #1 show in the world. Next question, would you rather go bald or never get to make your hair again? For me, I would definitely go bald, because me not ever making my hair again, oh my god, I don't even think I can do that because I have thick hair, so sometimes I don't even want to deal with it. So if I'm bald, I can definitely wear wigs, but never make my hair again, oh no. Next question, would you rather have a dog or cat as a pet? First of all, I hate animals, so none. But if worse comes to worse, I think I will have a cat, because I've heard that cats are definitely easier to maintain. They don't shit around the house. They know where to shit. So dogs, those they are shit. The shit is what I don't like. You get me? I don't like the shit on their breasts. Yeah, that is why I don't like dogs. Cats, they're kind of scary, but if it's a cute one, I think I would prefer to have a cat than a dog. And the cat can kill the rats in the house, so that's definitely a plus. Puff or buns? You know, up until recently, I did not even know there was a difference between puff and buns. So now I know the difference. Definitely puff. You know, very soft and hot puff. So would you rather live in a place infested mosquitoes, cockroaches, or rats? Those are 3 things I absolutely hate, but I would prefer to stay somewhere that is infested with mosquitoes, because I hate cockroaches and rats. Those are my 2 worst animals in this life, cockroach, rats. So definitely I would prefer mosquitoes, because at least you can use insecticides to kill them off. Cockroaches, they don't die. Rats, they are so hard to kill. Would you rather be very good at singing or at dancing? Fun fact, I was actually good at dancing before, but now I have lost my skills because I really didn't do much dancing anymore. But I still got a little bit of skill when it comes to dancing. So I would prefer to be very good at dancing because you guys already know I am terrible at singing. If you haven't watched my song association video, I'm gonna leave a card here so you can watch me sing. I have a very horrible voice, but I would actually prefer to be really good at dancing than singing. Coffee or tea? Oof, coffee, definitely. Red apples or green apples? Green apples, because I think they are sweeter. I feel they are sweeter than red apples. Red apples just aesthetics. Green apples are where the taste is. Would you rather be a vampire or werewolf? Oof. Like, that is not even a question. A vampire, you can run really fast, which means you can do things at a very fast pace. You can, I think, read minds. I mean, who would want to even be a werewolf? What can werewolves do? Nothing. Next question. Home delivery or eat out? Home delivery. There's no greater feeling than just chilling and eating while watching TV. Oh, I love to eat out though, but just eating a bunch of food while watching TV, bliss. Read the book or watch the movie? I would rather watch a movie than read the book. Next question. Worst house chore? Laundry or washing dishes? Oh, laundry. Would you rather marry someone 10 years older or 10 years younger? 10 years older. Calls or texts? Texts, like, don't call me. Like, I prefer if you send me a text than to call me. Calls are just not my thing. Instagram or Twitter? Twitter, definitely. Twitter is my #1 social media. Like, when you go to Twitter, you get entertained. Like, there's no way you won't laugh when you're on Twitter. So Twitter, definitely for me. Online shopping or going in person? Depends on what is being bought. Something like clothes, you don't want to do that. You don't want to do clothes shopping online, because if the clothes don't fit, you will come on social media and say what your other versus what you got. So to avoid that, going in person, that would be better. Would you rather be able to time travel or able to turn invisible at will? Time travel. What would time travel actually do for me? Would it, I think, being invisible, because you can do lots of things when you're invisible. Time travel, okay, you have seen the future, okay, how is that going to affect you? You know, when you see the future, what you saw, if you saw a good future, you come to the present and you now ruin your present and the future becomes bad. Like, I don't want to mess with time travel, guys, so I would rather be invisible. Netflix or DSTV? Netflix, because DSTV doesn't have any good shows at all. Like, Netflix. Have a rich friend or a loyal friend? A rich friend. Yeah, a rich friend. Watch sports or participate in sporting activities? I actually hate sports, so none. Watch sports or participate? None. Coke or Pepsi? Fanta or Mirinda? Coke, then Fanta. For me, the taste, I don't really see much difference in the taste, but if worse comes to worse, Coke and Fanta. Watch a movie at home or at the cinema? You know, sometimes watching movies in the cinema can be really annoying when people are shouting and maybe they are laughing for things that are not necessarily funny. It can be quite annoying. It depends on the type of movie. I would rather watch a comedy at home than an action film in the cinema, because the wide screen and the sound, everything is amplified. So for me, comedy at home, action with lots of things happening in the cinema. Horror movies or comedy? I would say comedy, because if it was a while back I would have said horror, but these days the horror movies are just not it. Like, they're not horror. You just watch them and you're like, okay, where is the horror? Like, there was a time when you're watching horror movies, you are like you're shaking, like you are like, damn, like when you're done with the film you don't even want to be alone, you don't want to be in the dark. But now it's like, okay, where is the punchline, where is the horror? Get so comedy. E-books or hard copy? Hard copy, definitely. TV series or movies? TV series. I prefer watching TV series than movies. I can watch one particular movie for like 3 days or 4 days. That's if it's not really interesting. But the TV series, I can watch one full season in 2 days if it's a good show. So I'm a TV series fanatic. I am looking for recommendations. So if you have any TV series recommendation, leave it down in the comments, because all the good shows are ending. They're all ending. Okay, day mode or dark mode? Day mode. DC or Marvel? Marvel. Ronaldo or Messi? Ronaldo. I'm a Ronaldo stan, even though I don't watch sports. I'm a Ronaldo stan. I like Ronaldo more than Messi, even though I don't watch it. But Ronaldo all the way. I was first with Madrid. Then when Ronaldo went to Juventus, I'm now a Juventus fan. So I follow Ronaldo anywhere he goes, basically. Tom and Jerry or SpongeBob? Tom and Jerry. I don't even like SpongeBob to start with. So definitely Tom and Jerry. Pounded yam or amala? Pounded yam. Video games or board games? Video games only if it's Sims, because that's my #1 game. Sims. Sims 1, Sims 2, Sims 3, Sims, period. Breaking Bad or Power? Power is just it for me. Nike or Adidas? Nike for me. Would you rather have only sons or only daughters? That's a hard one. Sons are very stubborn, and boys can be really stubborn. I don't know, I won't answer that. Would you rather be able to play 10 musical instruments or able to speak 10 different languages of your choice? I would say 10 different languages of my choice. Would you rather be extremely smart or extremely lucky? Extremely lucky, because when you have luck, everything goes your way. But what are the chances that you being extremely smart would get you what you want? So if you're lucky, anything, I want this, you'll be lucky. Anything you do, you are just lucky. Be loved by all or be feared by all? I would be loved by all, because if you're feared by all, they might not, like, fear can make people do some kind of crazy things. So it's better for them to love you. So anything you want them to do for you, they'll do it. So that concludes the video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on my social media, all Mathildaduku. And if you guys would like to see more videos of me, I'm gonna put some videos here that you can watch to see other videos of me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.